With the introduction of AI, how has that impacted School 16?
It's impacted actually all of education, which is that the barrier to learning is lower than ever before. You can say that the same thing happened when Google became prevalent, where you could have access to information and self learn in a way that you could never. With AI, it's even easier. The barriers are even lower. I've talked to you, I know how you learn. You use AI to go into the details, how to solve problems, how to solve workflows in sales and marketing, how to do automation. That's actually important to call out to the audience. If there's anybody listening that is a professional that wants to either skill up or a young professional is getting into the industry, AI is not an excuse to not get somewhat technical because the barrier to entry is lower. The expectation on you is that you're going to use it to know more. You don't have to be the one actually writing the code, but if you can go deeper and understand how technology works and automation works and AI works, you're going to have an advantage. Because the barrier to entry is lower, the expectation is individuals self-learn more. What you learn in
Mhm.
college in your curriculum is just not enough. You talk to employers, they expect you, even if you don't have much work experience, to have gone deeper than what you learn in school. How it's impacted us as a company directly, we've started our company on this principle. So we and every other adult education institution out there has to make sure that the learning is as practically applicable as possible, meaning that you are working on solving real challenges. You are working not on theory, but on practical problems that you can go in immediately be productive in companies solving problems. Because we're working in the tech industry and in business, business equals productivity. Today, productivity is expected a lot more than in the past. And so
Right.
for education companies, we need to prepare people for that reality. If we don't, we're doing a disservice. Graduating with a college degree with baseline knowledge, so your college hasn't pushed you to be closer to industry, they have done you a disservice and they've set you up for failure. That's not acceptable anymore.